Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best washing machines available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. LG WM4000 HBA 4.5 cu-foot Ultra Large Capacity Smart Wi-Fi Enabled Front Load Washer. Front load washing machines are popular for their cleaning ability, generous capacity, and user-friendly design features. The LG WM4000 HBA checks all these boxes and was declared a total game changer by our in-home product reviewer, who was impressed with the cycle options and cleaning efficiency of this model. This front load washer can accommodate laundry loads up to 20 pounds, which is about a dozen large bath towels, thanks to the 4.5 cubic foot stainless steel drum, but it maintains a trim profile that works well even in smaller laundry areas. This top front load washer is also stackable with its matching dryer, giving you the option to install this popular laundry duo in a vertical configuration. During testing, the cycle options, including a 15-minute speed wash and allergen option, were standout features. The center dial makes it easy to select a pre-configured cycle, but a digital control panel gives you options to modify aspects of the wash process, including water temperature, spin speed, etc. Take note that the digital display buttons aren't lit, which made it challenging for our product tester to use the buttons in low light conditions. This is a smart front load washer, meaning you can pair it with the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone. It allows you to check in on cycle status, receive notifications, and even start the washer remotely. A big caveat to remotely starting a cycle is the fact that the washing machine must be turned on for this functionality. Still, it can be handy to monitor your machine using the app, especially if you have a laundry area in the basement or if you frequently forget to retrieve freshly washed clothes from the washer. Number 4. Panda Portable Washing Machine. Although 10-pitching campers need a hand-powered washer, RV lovers can opt for an electric model while still being mindful of space, of course. The Panda Portable Washing Machine provides the power of other electric washers, but at 1.34 cubic feet, it doesn't take up too much space. The smaller size doesn't mean the Panda model lacks features. You'll have 10 cycles and 5 water level options at your disposal for tackling tough stains. Additionally, the stainless steel tub helps to sanitize your items, keeping everything clean as you hit the road. Cycles run quietly, and there's even a fabric softener dispenser so you can enjoy the luxuries of a permanent home while in your movable one. You will want to figure out a plan for storing this machine before buying, as it isn't easy to move. Either pick a permanent spot in your motorhome that is out of the way, or invest in a dolly for moving and storing it when it's not in use. What we like: large interior, fabric softener dispenser, quiet operation. What we don't like: doesn't fill all the way, not easy to move. Number 3. COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. Most portable washing machines are best for 1 or 2 person households. But COSTWAY's high-efficiency washer can accommodate a small family. Thanks to its large stainless steel inner tub and powerful motor, this washing machine can handle 11 pounds of clothes at once. And it's not limited to light clothes. With 8 washing programs to choose from, the machine can handle anything from heavy denim to light wool. The machine is also quick to warn you of any abnormal conditions. After sounding the alarm, the machine will auto-stop and tell you what needs to be repaired. There is also a child lock feature to keep kids from opening the machine mid-wash or playing with it. Customers note that the dryer part of the machine's name is a bit misleading. Although the spin cycles help remove excess water, you will still need to use a drying machine or line dry your clothing. What we like: child lock keeps kids safe. Quiet. Available in gray or white. What we don't like: does not dry clothes. Number 2. Super Deal 9.9 pounds Mini Compact Washing Machine. Though it may be small, Super Deal's compact washing machine is mighty. The top-load machine spins at 1,300 RPM, rotations per minute, enough power to give clothes a thorough cleaning, but gentle enough to keep them in good condition. Yet despite its wash power, this tiny machine doesn't rock and roll when cleaning your clothes thanks to its stable weight distribution. Super Deal's mini washer comes with an easy-to-attach drainage tube, which allows you to remove water from the wash side while your laundry spins on the other. Some customers said the tube was a little short, and used the machine in the tub for some extra protection against leaks. Keep in mind this machine can only handle about 5 pounds of laundry at a time, which is not ideal for the person who waits until they're out of clean underwear before washing their clothes. But because the machine works fast, up to 15 minutes for wash cycles and 5 minutes for spin cycles, you'll be able to work through any pile quickly. What we like. Gentle cycle keeps clothes in good condition. Easy to drain water. Stable when operating. What we don't like. Limited laundry capacity. Not durable. Number 1. Magic Chef 2.0 CU Foot Compact Top-Load Washer. Magic Chef's portable washing machine is essentially a mini, and cheaper, version of a classic top-load washing machine. This is largely due to its physical features, including a see-through window, electronic controls, and rust-resistant tub. And thanks to the machine's 3D waterfall and filter, you get the powerful washing performance of a standard washing machine. The Magic Chef top-load washer features 6 wash cycles including normal, heavy, delicate, bulky, and quick. It also has 3 water temperature options, which you can tailor to the type of fabrics in your load and how much energy you want to use. A few things to note. First, Magic Chef's machine only works with liquid or powdered detergent. Second, despite having portable in its name, the machine is not easy to move. Many customers recommended purchasing a roller dolly or a similar platform so you can move your machine with ease when it's time to clean it. What we like. Easy to assemble. Quiet. Powerful enough for heavy items. What we don't like. Must use with liquid or powdered detergent. Not easy to move.